Good morning and welcome to Traders Next Door. I'm your host Edgar Kartashabe from Forex Insights SA, and this is the latest scoop. We have CPI coming in tomorrow, Wednesday at 2:30 GMT plus 2. This is going to be one of the most important CPIs yet for the year. Some analysts are predicting that rate cuts in September are a little bit overblown, despite the fact that we have had a softening in the figures for the year in August. PMI coming in a little bit softer, the employment rate coming in down, unemployment claims coming in up. These singular data points might not be enough to convince the Fed that a rate cut is due in September. So some analysts are predicting that the rate cut might be shifted even as late as November. Powell stated in the latest FOMC meetings that the data is going to be critically important moving forward. So this coming CPI is going to have a massive implication on what happens in the market. Some market-based models are predicting that CPI may come in lower than expected. And if this holds true, it is going to break the market. This is going to have massive implications, not only for the short-term market price, but also for the long-term game that the Fed is going to play. Core CPI month-on-month is expected to increase to 0.2%. CPI month-to-month is expected to increase to 3.2%. And then CPI year-on-year is expected to remain flat at 3%. Some analysts suggest that even a slight miss from these figures of 0.1% is going to have massive implications and is likely going to result in a lot of short-term dollar weakness. This is going to impact what the Fed's decision is going to be in terms of rate cuts, and that is going to have massive implications for the dollar moving forward. So tomorrow's CPI is going to be likely a massive move. So if any of you gambling traders are in the market for a good trading day, tomorrow is going to be a big one if market analysts and data models are to be held true. And this is going to have massive implications on long-term moves. So all swing traders are going to have to pay attention to what the figures come out on and what this is going to have an implication for the dollar in the long term. So CPI, really important. Go ahead and join the 2Gs tomorrow on Project G if you want to trade CPI live. And if you want any more information on these current events, go ahead and follow Forex Insights SA for the scoop. I've been Edgar Kartashabe. This has been Traders Next Door. Trade safe, and we'll see you on the next one.